Good afternoon. So that's the safety device. So we're having it installed into the piping system. So what this device does, it will be able to cut off supply of gas in an event that there's a leakage in your pipe or the gas is left open. So this helps to prevent you losing gas or having any gas related accidents. So the safety device is put into the pipe. So it's inserted into the pipe. So it sits straight into the pipe here. Then the next thing now, we now connect your regulator hose clip. So it's connected in front of the regulator so that if there is any leakage, it will just immediately cut off supply from the regulator point. So now you connect your regulator to the cylinder. So all you do, you place it there, then you just start turning it to the clockwise direction. So that's you tying in the regulator so that it sits onto the cylinder. So ensure you tie it all the way until it holds. There's no need to use any extra tool, just by the hand it should be able to hold. So once you do that, then you open your cylinder. So opening is to the anti-clockwise direction. So once you open, then you come to your stove. For you to turn on your stove, you push in the knob, hold it a bit so that the gas accumulates. So you push it in, the gas accumulates. Then when it clicks, your flame actually goes on. So same applies on the other one. You push in the knob, turn anti-clockwise, it clicks, and your flame goes on. So when the stove starts, it actually starts on high. If you keep going anti-clockwise, you're reducing your flame. Coming back to the clockwise, you're increasing. If you go all the way, that's turning off. So it's the same. If you're keeping going to the anti-clockwise, you're reducing. Coming back to the clockwise, you're increasing all the way, you turn off. Once you're done, always ensure you close onto the cylinder. So the safety device that we've put, the one that's here, in an event that there's a leakage or gas is left coming out from there without any flame, it will immediately cut off. So if that happens, what you have to do to activate the safety device, you just tap onto the pipe. Once you tap onto it, then it's able to reactivate it and your gas can continue flowing. So remember, this is always movable. So even if it's moving, there's no harm as long as that is tied in. So after you're done, if you'd want to disconnect your regulator, what you do, you ensure that your cylinder is closed, then you untie in the anti-clockwise direction. That will be untying off your regulator from the cylinder to ensure that everything is disconnected. But you're only doing this when you're going to do a refill, or maybe you're moving the stove from one point to another. Thank you so much.